Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Tesla Model Y long range. First, understand the different charging options available to you. You have three primary methods: home charging, destination charging, and using a Tesla supercharger. Each option offers unique benefits depending on your needs. Home charging is ideal for daily top-ups, while superchargers are perfect for quickly adding significant range during longer journeys. Knowing these options helps you plan your charging strategy effectively. For home charging, the Tesla wall connector is your best bet, offering the fastest speeds. It can add approximately 44 miles of range per hour, ensuring your Model Y is ready each morning. If a wall connector isn't feasible, the mobile connector, plugged into a standard 240-volt outlet, still provides effective overnight charging. Remember to schedule your charging during off-peak electricity hours to maximize savings and reduce your energy bill. When you're on a longer journey, superchargers are incredibly efficient. Your Tesla's navigation system will guide you to the nearest supercharger station. These powerful stations can add up to 200 miles of range in roughly 15 minutes, getting you back on the road quickly. Simply plug in the supercharger cable and charging will begin automatically. You can easily monitor your charging progress and estimated completion time right on your car's large touchscreen display. To maintain your battery's health, it's generally recommended to charge your Model Y to about 80% for daily driving. Only charge to 100% when you truly need the maximum range for a long trip. Preconditioning your battery before charging, especially in colder temperatures, can significantly improve charging speeds and efficiency. And speaking of smart choices, check the description below for a link to the simple path to wealth and other great deals. These simple habits will help you get the most out of your Tesla.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.